first. Are you able to hear me, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay then. Yeah, let me introduce myself first. So myself Amar. So I'm the trainer here, guys. So I have around 10 years of experience overall into IT industry. Then into DevOps 5 years. So this is about my background, guys. Maybe can you please, guys, introduce yourself? Just your name and your background. So maybe in 1 or 2 sentences. So Avani, can you please introduce yourself to the class?
Yes. Hello, everyone. I'm Avanti. I used to work in Cognizant, and I was working on. Actually, I left this organization due to family problem. That's when I have to upgraded this skills through AWS, and I used to work on SQL Server.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
Yeah. So next, Madhu. Hi, Madhu. Madhu, are you there? Not sure. Prasad. Hi, Prasad. You are in mute, Prasad. Okay. So next, Pritesh, Pushpita. So guys, when I call the names, please immediately unmute yourself and speak out. Okay. So next, Redappa.
Hello everyone, it's me Pushpita,
Yes, Pushpita.
and I was
Yes.
working as working as a network administrator in CSS Corp, but I left my job just because I want to upgrade my skills. I want to move on to the DevOps, so I left my job. Currently, I'm
Okay,
preparing
that's
for
great.
it. Yeah.
Oh, okay, no problem. Yeah. Next, Sai. Okay, Redappa.
Yeah, hi, my name is Jdbc. I'm having 7 years of IT experience in as a middleware administrator. Previously, I was worked
Okay.
in the Malaysia DXC technology and the Abu Dhabi commercial bank. Currently, due to COVID, I stuck in India. Currently, I'm planning to upgrade my skills as a DevOps engineer.
Okay, that's great. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next,
Yes, Amar.
Srinivas. Yes. Yes. Who is that?
Amar, this is Prasad. Okay.
Yes, Prasad. Hi.
Okay. Hi. We will talk. Discuss later. Okay.
Oh, sure, no problem. Yeah.
Okay.
Next, Srinivas. Hi, Srinivas. Okay. So next, Tejasvi.
Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Tejasvi. I'm having 2 years of experience in IT industry. Currently, I'm working in Capgemini. I need to upgrade my skills, so I was attending this program.
Okay, that's great. So what is your current skill?
Actually, I had worked in ServiceNow, but currently my project is DevOps. So to upgrade, I am thinking to learn this.
Okay, that's great. Yeah. So guys, everybody be in mute. So let me share my screen. And please let me know once you are able to see my screen, guys. Are you able to see my screen, guys?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So guys, in today's class, I am going to share some things, okay, with you. So first thing is, what is DevOps, first of all? Okay, so why everybody talking about DevOps nowadays? If you see, the requirements are also like that only in the market. What is DevOps, first of all? Okay, and who is eligible for that? Third one, what things I will provide, maybe in terms of tools, in terms of documentation, in terms of support. Okay, fourth thing, prerequisites. So these are the things I'm going to discuss with you today's class. Okay, so do you know, guys, anybody? So do you know what is DevOps? Why nowadays everybody talking about DevOps?
It's development and operations. Both are
Okay, so
combination.
okay. What else? What else?
This is nowadays using DevOps for time consumption and maximum time consumption. Actually, before using some different model, I mean waterfall or like a V model, like they are using for testing purpose also. But nowadays they are using Agile model and Agile model.
Okay. Exactly. So maybe before talking about DevOps, guys, we have to talk about SDLC. Okay, so I'm going to provide details about SDLC. Do we have any fresher here in this class, guys? Hello, guys. Do we have any fresher here? Maybe
Yes,
non-IT.
here,
Who is that?
Prasad.
Okay, Prasad. Yeah, so that's great. So my target is you only. So because maybe others already may have some idea about technical skills or maybe at least the IT field. Okay, so guys, I'm sorry, whoever knows already SDLC process, just bear with me for 10, 15 minutes. I want to give from scratch what exactly the real time. So how exactly the real time project would be. So what we used to do in our offices. I'm not talking about DevOps. I'm talking about general project. Okay, so I think Prasad, you know WhatsApp. What is WhatsApp?
WhatsApp is conversation between person to person. It's communication.
Exactly, chatting tool. So apart from that, what are there in chatting tool? So we have audio calling, video calling, group calling, and so many options, right? So how
Yes.
these functionalities working actually? So when I install my in my mobile, okay, what I will get in my mobile, and when I start conversation with others, what will happen exactly? Okay, so that is what I'm going to show you now. Okay, it's a very simple. So guys, somewhere I'm getting background noise. Can you please only to whom I'm speaking or like who is speaking? Only like you should unmute. Remaining everybody mute yourself. Ah, okay. So if you take WhatsApp as an example, guys, how exactly these conversations, maybe audio calling, video calling is working. This functionality is working means. So let's take this as my mobile. Okay, this is my mobile and this is Prasad mobile. When I do audio calling, when I do video calling to him, actually it's not a direct contact between you and me, Prasad. Okay, so in WhatsApp organization, somewhere in secure location, so they have their own hardware. Actually, internally, they are using different technologies. Okay, okay, so Pritesh is saying voice problem. So guys, are you able to hear me properly? Is it my voice problem or his voice?
Your voice is audible. Good.
Okay, my voice is okay, right? Okay, that's great. So
Okay.
maybe Pritesh, please check your audio. Try to log in from mobile otherwise. If you join from laptop or maybe if you join from mobile, try to join from laptop or else try to rejoin. Okay, yeah. So here guys, actually in WhatsApp organization, compulsory, there are some, like their own hardware will be there. Hardware means kind of again, what I can say, to install their applications. Compulsory guys, how this audio calling functionality working for me? When I do audio calling to you, actually it's not direct connectivity between you and me. So it will go to that audio calling functionality where that application is running, guys. For audio calling functionality, they will use some different technologies. Like obviously, to install, to host their applications and all, they need a hardware. They need an OS on top of it. So that is what I'm talking about, guys, here. These are called as servers, production servers. So Prasad, have you heard any time this word, production servers?
No, no, nothing.
Yeah,
Not at all.
basically production servers are nothing but every project, every organization, they have their own hardware. On top of it, their internal applications running. different. So again, here audio calling means not one application. So internally they may use different set of combinations, application, technologies. Technology is nothing but again internal application, some different application. So all together you are getting that audio calling functionality. In the same way, so example, you are doing video call to your friend. Again, it's not a direct connectivity between you and me, guys. Okay, so compulsory your mobile will reach out first that video calling server where that video calling functionality or application is running. From there, it will connect to you guys. This is what happening. So compulsory in your organization, production servers will be there. You will maintain your own hardware. That is called as data center. Have you heard this word at least? Data center. So basically data center means a very big building with your own hardware. There only your internal application different. So obviously to host my application, I need an hardware with application OS. So on top of those hardware only, I will install OS. On top of it only, my application, my project applications will be running. So those servers are called as production servers. Okay, again, Sai is saying that not audible. So guys, I'm not sure is it only for some guys or everybody. So Prasad, are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, then maybe it's for only some people then. Sai and
Here I got,
yes.
yes, here I got a Wi-Fi. So your voice is audible.
Okay then. Yeah. So please speak out, guys. Whenever I have some problem, maybe my voice is, you have some problem with my voice, please respond in call itself. Don't ping. Okay, I may not see the chat box. Okay, so every project has 3 set of data centers, guys, minimum, with the same set of technologies. Guys, data center is nothing but a very big building with your own hardware. So it's kind of maybe not laptop, maybe I'll show that also, how your data center will be. Guys, this is how your data center will be. Okay, so compulsory, every project has your own data center. These are your servers. Here only that audio calling, video calling, compulsory. So we cannot install application directly, right? First OS will install here. On top of it, our applications running. Customer will utilize these applications only, guys. Okay, so there will be 3 set of data centers, maybe 3 set of servers, guys. So these are called as development environment, quality environment, production environment. So guys, we used to say development servers, quality servers, production servers in any project. Even if it is a small project, big project, doesn't matter. Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Google, all these are applications only, right? So internally, if you say Facebook, in Facebook, how many functionalities I have, guys? How those functionalities working? Actually, internally, again, in production servers, they will maintain different technologies on top of their hardware, on top of their OS, guys, on top of their data centers. So as I told you, 3 minimum data centers they will maintain every project. Development servers, quality servers, production servers. What is the difference? Everywhere same concept, guys. Here also same setup with the different technologies. Here also same setup, here also same setup. Why do they need 3 servers, 3 set of servers for a single project? Why? Because guys, production servers always very critical servers. Customer will connect to these production servers only to use this application. Now my customer using audio calling means definitely he should connect to. So Prasad, have you ever tried without internet to do audio calling, or maybe to use WhatsApp, or maybe some other application? So that point of time you may get one error. So unable to reach out to server, unable to reach out to WhatsApp server, unable to reach out to Ola server, unable to reach out to Zomato server. So what does that mean? Actually, whenever you are trying to operate that application, okay, so internally it will try to connect to the data center, those servers, those applications which are running on top of their hardware, their data centers. Those are called as production servers. So the supporting application, guys, for your Zomato, for your Ola, for your Facebook, for your WhatsApp. Okay, these are production servers. And why do they need development and quality servers means? So definitely day-to-day life, we used to get so many new updates. So WhatsApp, did you receive WhatsApp with all the functionalities initially? No, right? We received only chatting initially. Then after audio, then after video, then after profile status, then after backup, then after payments. So to do these things, guys, actually they won't touch these production servers at all initially. Okay, once they set up these servers, done. So always, guys, they will set up 3 environments, 3 data centers, any project. Development servers, quality servers, production servers. Everywhere the same setup will be there. Here also same number of servers with same application, same settings. And here also, in one more data center also, same settings, same application, same number of servers. Here also same. But why do they need like that means? It's because, guys, all the new developments they will do here only. Example, now already charting functionality, I have my environment, my set of servers. Okay, I need audio calling development. So they will announce in your project, guys. Your management will announce in your project. Okay, so guys, we are going to launch audio calling functionality in our project. So they will work. So we will be sitting in our on-premise, our office. So definitely WhatsApp office will be there, right, guys? There only we will sit. Application guy, database guy. So example, I am sitting in Cognizant office. What do I do from Cognizant office? Here only I'll have my laptops, my desktops. Here only all employees that WhatsApp related, project related employees will sit in your WhatsApp office only. So maybe Cognizant office where the project is running. So we used to connect to these respective servers, guys, from our offices. We used to maintain our applications on top of development servers, quality servers, and products. So nobody will be there in data center. So actually, our teams, DevOps admin, maybe team, our management, or else maybe application guy, database guy, developer, they won't go to data centers directly. They will sit in their office only. Over the network, they will connect to these data centers, these employees. Here in development, always new development will happen. Example, now you released that production, maybe charting application. Now audio calling you want to develop. Your developer, your application guy will work on these servers only, because this is only explicitly for development purpose. There are no other customers using these application servers. So you will only connect to these servers and do the development. And in the same way, once the development completed, example, that audio calling functionality completed here. So maybe 1 month, 2 months they have taken, completed the concept. Now audio calling functionality working. Now the same setup they will do here in quality environment. Here your tester comes into picture. Maybe you may heard Selenium, or what I can say, automation testing, manual testing. Here in testing environment only they will do the testing. Why here in again quality analysis required here? Because, guys, we don't know that our application is secure or not. Whatever the functionalities, whatever the settings we did here, is there any vulnerability? Is there any chance for hacking? Okay, is there any security checks, valid, maybe a quality check, functionality check, everything they will test here only in quality servers, on top of quality servers. So everything remotely only, guys. We don't go to data center. We will sit in our office, in Cognizant office, or maybe in IBM office. From here, we'll connect to, we will get all the list of servers. How many development servers, how many quality servers, how many production servers. Now, finally, after the quality test completed, again, once your management reviewed, everything good, then only they will release the product. They will deploy or configure the same stuff in production. Now we'll release one client application with all this new server information into that Play Store or App Store. guys. That's where customer will be notified. Hey Amar, whenever I open a WhatsApp application, I will be notified. Hey Amar, you got some new update for WhatsApp application. So immediately I will download and install. I will upgrade my application in my mobile. So now onwards, I will get that audio calling functionality. So when I do audio calling, it will connect to that audio calling server where that internal application running, and from there it will connect to your other mobile. So without internet, that's the reason. Without internet, we cannot connect to our applications. Our maybe we cannot use them. This is what happened, guys. This entire process is called as SDLC process, guys. This entire process till now, maybe to develop audio calling, what will happen? First development, then after testing, then after release into the again deploy in production, now release into the market. This entire cycle is called as production, sorry, SDLC, software development life cycle. Any product should go through with these steps compulsory, with these stages. It doesn't matter, Google, Facebook, Twitter, you're getting one new functionality means compulsory that functionality, that setup should go through these stages. So SDLC is a common for any project. It doesn't matter what tool they are using. Internally they may use different technologies. It doesn't matter, but stage, the process are same. Compulsory, first development, then stage, sorry, testing, then after only release. So let me show in detail that SDLC process. What are the stages you may have? Analysis, design, development, quality, release. So these are the stages of SDLC life cycle, guys. The process through which our application is the process through which our application is gone through is called as SDLC, software development lifecycle. Guys, any application, any functionalities. Example, now audio calling released already. Now video calling, your management will announce. Maybe if you have seen, if you heard, guys, some applications, they will announce maybe 6 months before itself. We are going to launch audio calling. We are going to launch video calling. We are going to launch flying cars in next 3 years. What does that mean? That means they are in development phase, still in progress. Before 6 months only they are updating. They are just giving hint. We are going to launch. That means, guys, they started their SDLC process, software development lifecycle process. So here, first, whenever your management announce that project in your company, okay, so example, this is my company. Here, your manager will announce it. Hey guys, we are going to launch audio calling now. Okay, so that's where meetings will happen. Analysis about that new project. Example, now audio calling is, okay, so audio calling is again announced in your project. Now your teams will be there, guys. Different teams will be there. Application team, database team, developer, system admin, manager. So so every project has this many teams. So they will sit together. Discussions happen here, guys. Discussions happen here in analysis phase. So what exactly to do here in this audio calling functionality? How to develop? What are the tasks I have to do? Who is responsible for which task? How many days it like again we have to complete this audio calling functionality? So already I may have my setup, but real time, guys, remember this word. So example, audio calling functionality purpose, I want to install some new application. I want to set up. So you don't take this already existing setup. Already it will be for chatting purpose. You will set up again new infrastructure, guys, new servers. You will your system admin will be there. He will work with data center guy. He will set up new infrastructure, new servers for this audio calling function. That discussions will happen here. How many new servers I need? How many again, who is responsible for which task? What developer has to do? What application guy has to do? What developer has to do? Again, database, what is his task, responsibility? What is the cost for this project? Everything they will announce here. They will discuss here in analysis phase only. Okay, after that, based on the discussion, guys, your architects, okay, your architect will create exact roadmap, maybe PPT diagram. Here only discussions, maybe suggestions from different teams, discussions between the teams, all the teams. Not so I'm not talking about DevOps. It's a general project. Now your architect will create exact roadmap. Then after your development will start here. So guys, hello guys. Anything you want to ask? Hello guys. Can everybody mute yourself? So guys, mute yourself. Yeah. Now the development starts here, guys. So as I told you, based on the roadmap, so based on the PPT diagram, every team will get those responsibilities. Application team, developer, database guy, they will get their responsibilities from this roadmap. Who is responsible for which task? So example, first system admin will start his work. So if any new servers required, he will work with data center guy. So actually guys, data center somewhere in remote location. So because it should be in secure location, not in your office. In your office only employees. Data center will be somewhere in secure location, somewhere in forest, somewhere in between, inside a river, something like that, guys. Depends on project. Very secure location they will make it. Only data center engineer will be there. So system engineer will work with the data center engineer. And then he will build a new infrastructure, new servers here. New server means installing operating system. Then after, based on this roadmap, he will install applications also. What applications we need here on top of those new servers to support this audio calling functionality. Now, your developer will start development. Okay, we'll start writing the code for that to support that new audio calling functionality. That option I have to get, right? So in mobile, when I open WhatsApp application, if you see that audio calling option will be there. How you are getting that option? It's because of this development code only. When you click on that audio calling, it's connecting to again that DevOps, that audio calling. How it is possible? Again, it's because of that code only. In that code, you will give clear instructions, maybe to enable some options. Everything is developer task. Now, based on development code and all, your application guy and maybe your database guys will tweak the changes, will tweak the configurations. Okay, so your application guy. So then after, once the development, it may take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, it doesn't matter, based on your new maybe project. So then after only, once the project is done, once the development is completed, guys, how they will know that? Actually here, they will maintain some development mobiles again. Some mobiles, they will make it for development. They will test this application, whatever the application they install here, right? They develop. Every time they will test in these mobiles. So these settings will be there. These server settings will be available here in this WhatsApp application. So they will test it. So that they will come to know that how my application is working. So once the development completed, your management will review whether that WhatsApp audio calling in between is working or not. Now, if it everything working, so the same implement, the same environment, same setup. Here also will set up your system engineer will build new servers, will install new application, and your database guy, your application guy, here also will set the code. And here your testing will happen. Your tester comes into picture. He will do the quality checking. How my application working is in between while doing audio calling. Is there any like maybe security things happening? Hack any chances? What is the my quality of my code? Everything they will test here. Again, it's a tester role by connecting to these servers remotely. Now, finally, once the testing completed, it may take again 1 month, 2 months based on your project. So then after your management will approve. Once they approved, the same setup we will do in production servers also, whatever you did here in quality. Okay, here but no testing. Already testing happened. Simply implementation. And now, so we'll release these settings. We'll release one application with all these new settings into Play Store or App Store. I hope you know what is Play Store or App Store. What is Play Store, guys? In some, maybe in Android mobiles, you will get Play Store, right? So your company will release that product into Play Store or App Store. Now customer will be notified. Hey, Amar, you got one new application. Same concept, again routine. Now example, audio calling done. Now video calling. Same project again. So they will start one more SDLC. Now this time video. Same concept again. First analysis, design, dev, QA, release. So this is a life cycle. This is again routine task, guys, in your project. So day-to-day life, what you people used to do, this like maybe you may heard, I'm going to office. I'm working in Cognizant. So what we used to do from Cognizant, we used to, so based on your project, you will get access to all these servers, all this information related to your project servers, maybe data center access. So you will connect to these data centers, maybe these servers and these applications from Europe. We used to manage. Different tasks will be there. This is concept. This is a normal SDLC process, guys. In any project, it is a common again maybe procedure. SDLC, software development life cycle, a routine life cycle in your project. Now, where is DevOps comes into picture here in this concept? So that is what I'm going to show you. What is DevOps? So guys, DevOps is nothing but actually defined from two different words: development plus operations. Development plus operation. It defined from two different words. Now here, what happened means, so maybe in previous days. So let me tell you one thing: the process, maybe the steps, the maybe methods you are using in previous days, 10, 15 days, years back. So most of the things are manual process. You used example, as I told you here, the analysis is and design is fine. Now example, development phase has to start. Okay, but as part of a development, so as part of this SDLC, audio calling functionality need around 20 servers. Example, assume that. Okay, 20 new servers required for this project. So your system admin has to talk to your data center guy, and your system admin has to set up that new hardware. See guys, how big the hardware it is. This is your server, guys. He's inserting one server, right? This is your hardware. Here only you will install by connecting to this hardware. You will install OS and application here. Very difficult. See the wiring concept, guys. How much wiring we need? Power setup, network setup, storage setup. So this much setup we need for single enclosure. This total is called as enclosure. Here we can build 16 servers, 16 operating systems, but very difficult to set up. Minimum 10-15 days it will take, guys, to do all this setup for data center engineer. Based on your requirement, okay, he will set up this new hardware and he will give this IP address. Over the network from our office, system admin will connect to this new hardware. Here you will install the applications and OS and application. But minimum 15-20 days it takes. So we used to take in previous days. Now the same thing, guys. Nobody using, most of the organizations not using your own hardware. Okay, so we are not using our own hardware nowadays, guys. There are some third parties like cloud providers. Have you heard this word, cloud? Prasad, anytime? I'm sorry, guys, every time I'm asking Prasad only because he's completely non-IT guy. So just I would like to make him comfortable. That's the reason. Because others are again IT guys. So guys, what is cloud? Have you heard anytime? what is cloud? Hello guys, are you there? Are you able to hear me? At least, can you please respond me?
Yes, yes,
Are you able to
yes,
hear me
yes,
or not?
yes, yes.
So
Yes, yes.
what is cloud? What is cloud? Okay, no problem. So guys, very simple. So cloud is nothing but one of the third party provider. Okay, so third party service. Cloud is nothing but something like Amazon, Azure, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud. So what they are doing now, they build already their own data centers across the world, not in some place. Across the world, India, US, UK, Singapore, different places, China, Malaysia, everywhere they have their data centers. They are giving those data centers to customers. Now, when example, I want to go with my cloud. I don't want to go with my own data center. What I will do? Simple. Already there are so what they these cloud providers did na, they created one simple web application like AWS website, Google website, again Azure website. They created one easy web application. So there, by creating account in that application, I can log into that account. I can log into that website and I can access those data centers, their services over the network. I no need to maintain my own data center, guys. And because why should I go with third party instead of my own data center means, see here in previous case, as I told you, to set up your project, but your new project, okay. So to set up your hardware, minimum 15-20 days it will take to complete, to install your operating system, to set up this hardware and all. But if I go with cloud, I no need to set up any hardware. Already hardware is there. And they provided easy services, everything to install operating system in your organization. If you own your own data center, once the hardware is ready to install your operating system, minimum 1.5 hour, 2 hours it will take if it is your own data center. But the same thing, if I go with cloud, already they created one easy service. Everything is service, guys, in their website, in AWS website. So to install operating system on top of their hardware, hardly it will take 2 minutes. No hardware setup required. You no need to work with any data center engineer. Everything I can choose with graphically I can see that how much RAM you need, how much CPU you need, how much storage you need. Okay, so everything you can choose in graphical based on your requirement. Hardly it will take 2 minutes, guys, to launch my operating system. See the difference. Nowadays, nobody is maintaining your own hardware. Everything in cloud only. So that is one thing. Okay, so maybe launching your operating system done. Now after that, what developer has to do? Developer has to write the code. Okay, so maybe, sorry, after operating system installation, you have to set up the application on top of 20 servers, on top of 30 servers, 50 servers. Previously, we used to do manually again, one by one, logging into each and every server remotely. There are some tools. How to log in, I will show you. You will log in from your laptop to these servers and you will install one by one. Maybe 15 servers, 20 servers, 30 servers, 50 servers. You have to log in individually, one by one. Very time taking process, huge time waste. But nowadays, nobody using that. So we have a DevOps tool called Ansible. What is Ansible now? So it's one-time setup. If you set up Ansible as a DevOps admin, what you will do now? So you will set up one server. You will launch one new server. Here you will install Ansible, and you will set up the communication between from this server to this server. To do anything on top of these servers, you no need to log into them directly. I can log in here. From here only, I can execute the commands without login. Hardly. So I can do my automations. Guys, again you're saving your time. But definitely, if you log in manually, it will take time waste, guys, process. But if you do from here, without only one server, you're logging. One time you're logging here. From here only, you're executing the commands on top of all the servers. How is out of matter now? How you will log in? How you will connect? That is out of matter. Just try to understand high level process, guys. Again, you're able to save your cost. Okay, now example, your application ready, your setup is ready. Now your developer has to start his writing code. Okay, so guys, again, development is nothing but not only writing the code. Again, your application team, your database team, they has to tweak the configurations based on this new tool, based on this new code. Okay, so here everybody involved. Everybody, so example, your developer written some code today. So compulsory that related code task, your application guy and database guys has to do that. They have to run some commands by connecting to the different application servers. So there are huge again dependency between the teams in previous days. The same thing, guys. Now there is one more tool called, okay, so Jenkins. So again, this is also DevOps tool only, guys. Okay, so what is Jenkins means? Here, these dependency tasks, whatever the commands they are running, whatever, so how they are running, when they are running, those conditions, those commands, routine tasks they are doing, right? Writing code is not our responsibility. Don't worry about that. Developer will take care. After writing the code, whatever the commands, whatever the conditions, whatever the application guy configurations doing, right? So those settings and all, I will make it in the Jenkins. Again, this is one of the DevOps tool. So here your Jenkins will take care of that. So in this way, you're reducing your dependency also, guys. You don't need that many teams. So hardly one or two people is enough. Your developer no need to follow up with other teams. Hey, I am done with my code. Please go ahead and do your configuration. Previous days, this is happening, guys. Your developer has to follow up with other teams. Unnecessarily time waste. But now, no time waste. Once the developer written program, my Jenkins will come to know that already. My Jenkins will get that information automatically. You don't need to inform. Automatically remaining all the steps will be configured and will be done by my Jenkins itself. So automation, guys, this is automation. This is called as automation. In this way, you are reducing the dependency between the teams also. So guys, like this, our DevOps tools will be involved in an entire project. Whatever the routine task you are doing, whatever the time taking process maybe you are following, so all those we will review, and as a DevOps admin, by using your tools, you have to reduce their work. So simple, guys, in simple words, without DevOps tools, okay, so example, 6 months, maybe your teams, 20 people are there, all the teams, application team, database team, developer, system admin, 20 people, and 6 months project it is, and around whatever the tools you are using, whatever the maybe like project cost, system cost, anything. So example, 1 crore you're spending, okay, for this project to develop that audio quality. The same project with the DevOps tools, okay, so I can make it with 10 people, 3 months, hardly 30-40 lakhs, 30 to 40 lakhs. See the difference, guys. Actually, it's a beneficial for company, organization. Cost cutting, guys. This is one of the method to cost for cost cutting for your company, for your project. Hardly with 10 people. Guys, hello guys. Please mute yourself, everybody. Hello guys. So actually, DevOps is main purpose is to reduce your cost. So in terms of salaries also, see guys, previously 20 people I need. Maybe 5 application guy, 5 database guy, 5 developers, 5 system admins. Hello guys, please mute everybody. Who is that? Okay. So why less people required means, as I told you guys, here after development, after writing the code, so again to do some task, you need one application guy. So actually he might be busy with some other tasks, not only development task, right? Already existing applications also he has to manage. So example, he is busy with other tasks. Now other person is required to do this task. But here in my DevOps case, do we need other person? Do we need application guy? No. One extra person not required. My Jenkins is taking care. So whoever available, that application guy, he will take care already existing application. So in that way, guys, I can reduce my team size also. 10 people, 5 people, 6 people, maybe each team 1 or 2 people are enough, because DevOps will make all the team efforts reduce. DevOps team will reduce all the team efforts, guys. Not only it doesn't matter, developer effort, application effort, database team effort, whatever the routine task they are doing. By using DevOps tools, we will do. No problem. You no need to have maybe in detail development knowledge, in detail testing knowledge, in detail again database knowledge. So whatever they are running, when they are running, how they are running, those commands will pick, will make it with our DevOps tools. So this is the advantage of DevOps, guys. This is the reason nowadays everybody talking about DevOps. Every company, every organization, they are trying to. So 6 months project, I can make it within 3 months only, guys. Maybe example, next I can start working on video calling. So after 3 months. So again, within 3 months, I can make it video call. Nowadays, see guys, so your new updates for any application. So very soon you're getting hardly 1 month, 2 months, 3 months only. Why it is happening? It's because of, again, so DevOps is one of the reason, guys. You're getting your project very fast, maybe quality also, because obviously when you do your maybe commands, when you do your setup manually, definitely there would be some mistakes because we are humans. But the same task, if you assign it to machines, what will happen? Definitely there is no mess ups, there is no missings. If something warning also, immediately you will come to know that you will get alerts. Hey, something alert, something warning, something messed up, some command is wrong, maybe some code is wrong. You'll come to know that your DevOps tool will get the will give you an alert also. That mechanism also there. You no need to monitor even. So this many advantages we have with the DevOps, guys. Okay, so yeah, so any doubts, guys, till now? What is DevOps? Did you understand this concept? DevOps is a culture. DevOps is not a single tool. Okay, so many tools we have, different tools for different purpose. So all like final goal is this one, time reduction. Project 6 months project, I can make it in 3 months. Again, no team dependency. So I don't want to wait for other teams. Simple. Instead of 20 people, 10 people is enough now, because most of the things I automated. No manual effort required. Quality of the project also improved because you are doing automation. Machines doing your work, applications doing your work. So obviously you don't mess up anything. If you something mess up also, you'll get an alert. So this is what DevOps. That is the reason every company is trying to implement DevOps in their project. So guys, any doubts till now? Can you please respond if you have any doubts? Any doubts, guys? Can you please respond?
No. Hello, Amar.
Okay.
Just want to know what are the prerequisites for this course? I mean, is it mandatory to know Linux?
Yes, that's what I'm maybe I'm going to show you now. So okay.
Okay.
So meanwhile, guys, one more thing I want to say. I will give my number here. Can you please everybody ping me in WhatsApp? Yeah, I pinged my number. Can you please everybody ping me in WhatsApp? You will get again my course content as well as so I will create a group also for you. I need a WhatsApp chat, guys, not here. Ping me in WhatsApp. That is my WhatsApp number. If you have any technical doubt, everything, I'll create a group. Okay. Don't ping me in here itself. Go to meeting. Ping me in WhatsApp. That's what I'm saying. Everybody, can you ping? I'm waiting for your ping. Everybody, can you ping now? Guys, are you doing it? I'm not sure whether you're doing it or not. Okay. Yeah, ping me with your name because so hi, this is Avanti, something like that. Yeah, ping everybody, guys. Ping me in WhatsApp. I'll create a WhatsApp group. Okay, so I've got 3 pings. Okay, 4 people ping. So remaining also, can you please ping me? So if you have any technical doubts also, you can ask me after the maybe so in group chat. Maybe call, I may not respond, guys, every time. You can ping in just group chat itself. Okay, fine. Now, who is eligible? Guys, most of the guys has this doubt. Who is eligible? So very simple, guys. Anybody, it doesn't matter. Fresher, maybe fresher may get again less number of opportunities, but like doesn't matter, guys. Anybody, fresher, developer, tester, okay, so who doesn't have any technical knowledge, but maybe you need more, you have to spend more time, more quality time to get to understand the things. Okay, so that is what anybody is eligible, guys. Very easy to learn. DevOps. Multiple tools we have, guys, not single tool. Okay, we have multiple tools, number of tools there here. So every week one tool will be covered. New tool. Okay. Now the next thing is, guys, what things I am going to provide. So guys, when it comes to things means document, I have my Google Drive, guys. Okay, so that Google Drive access will be provided to everybody. What will be there in that Google Drive means? Let me share my Google Drive. Let me show you my Google Drive, guys. So very simple. In my Google Drive, I have, I'm sorry. In my Google Drive, I have huge notes, guys. Day-to-day life, what we used to do in our maybe projects, set up documentation, interview questions, resumes. Okay, so many things available in my Google Drive. So I'm not sure it's taking some time. Yeah, this is my Google Drive, guys. So this document, this Google Drive access, I will provide to everybody who enroll. Okay, you will get all these notes. Interview questions also. I have huge interview questions, guys, already gathered. Again, resumes I will provide. Even class notes also, guys, you no need to write. Already my class notes, ready-made notes is there for all the tools. Okay, so including task, guys. So what is the main thing, means apart from the class, guys, task will be provided. Task will be provided. Tasks. These are very important, guys. Class is nothing. Maybe class is 30% only. Tasks only 70%. Tasks very important, real time. If you can make it this, make this task, then only you are eligible for DevOps admin, guys. If you can complete this, you have to. That is your role. That is your responsibility. Apart from the class. So as I told you, class is 30-40% only. Tasks only, like you have to concentrate. If you can do these tasks, means minimum, you can do any kind of task, even in real time also. So I am assured, guys, so I can assure a minimum 2 to 3 years real time experience. If you can maybe work 2 years real time, how much knowledge you will get? So that much I can provide here. So maybe by completing this task, not simply listening class, it won't help you at all, guys. It's a waste of your time if you simply listen class. Okay, so while practicing only, you can understand the things, some things. While listening, nothing. Okay, so this is what, again, who is eligible. Now, next thing is, yeah, task will be provided, notes, interview questions, resumes, setup documents, tasks. So these will be provided. So next thing is prerequisite, guys. Yeah, Linux is a prerequisite, guys. Linux operating system. So here, how many of you already have Linux knowledge, guys? Anybody? Do you have Linux knowledge, guys? How many of you already have Linux knowledge?
Yes, I have.
Okay, so that's great. So next, others. Linux is compulsory. Without Linux, you cannot make DevOps, guys. Our entire course will be depends on Linux only. Okay, so and one more thing, guys, timings, regarding timings, guys. First, I will start with Linux only. Okay, so because Linux is compulsory, maybe it will be only for 1 week, guys. Linux is only Linux basics I'm going to cover. Then after, I do have 2 different timings for DevOps, guys. You have to choose one of these 2 are the for DevOps.
Linux basics is enough for DevOps.
Not enough, but initially, maybe to learn DevOps, Linux basics enough. But day-to-day life, you have to improve your Linux also. In DevOps also, you will get so many Linux commands. Okay, so that time also, again in shell scripting, I am going to cover. There some advanced commands I will show you. Okay, no problem. But initially, to understand the DevOps, Linux basics are enough. So guys, these are our timings. For Linux, 8:30, sorry, not PM, AM. Indian timings, guys. All are Indian timings only I am referring. Okay, so maybe if you have any concerns about these timings, you can ping me. So we'll discuss about that, how exactly it works. Okay, this is about timings, guys. Can you please note down these timings? So first 1 week it will be Linux. Then after, these are the timings, guys. You have to choose one of these batch. 7:15 or 7 p.m. IST. All are Indian timings only. Okay, maybe if you have any concern, ping me in group in WhatsApp. Right? So I'm waiting for some people. Only some people pinged me in WhatsApp. Can you please everybody ping me in WhatsApp, guys, so that I'll add you in group. So still, how many people pinged me? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9 people pinged me out of 13. So 4 people still. Maybe if you don't want to ping, that's fine. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I think we are done with today's agenda. Maybe if you want, guys, please mute yourself. And in tomorrow class, I'm going to show you this prerequisite, how to create AWS account. Okay, so how to create AWS account. So guys, mute yourself, everybody. That is your responsibility, guys. And everybody join from laptop only, guys. Okay, so everybody, if it's something, maybe you might be outside. That case, that is fine. You can join from mobile. But my request is only join from laptop. Okay, guys. So tomorrow I'm going to show you how to create AWS account and how to install OS, Linux OS on top of that AWS data. Okay, these are tomorrow's agenda, guys. So tomorrow same time, 8:30 a.m. we will meet again.
Yes,
Yes, tell me. Someone's. Yeah.
Yes, this is Prasad.
Yes, Prasad, tell me.
Prasad, okay. I don't have Linux OS on my laptop.
That's what I'm going to show you tomorrow. You no need to have anything in your laptop.
Yes.
Okay.
Amarender, you are explaining AWS also, right?
Yes, AWS also I will cover. Basics, not complete. Because
Okay,
AWS
will you provide Linux?
Yes, Linux and AWS basics I will cover. Maybe not basics, minimum 50% I will cover.
So one more question, if you don't mind.
Yes, tell me.
How many days you are taking for a Kubernetes and only Kubernetes and Docker?
10 days.
Both the Kubernetes and Docker or
only Kubernetes?
Only Kubernetes.
Yeah,
Docker it will take how many sessions?
Maybe Docker 6 to 7.
Docker 6 to 7 only. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Prasad. Yes, I don't have Linux OS. Will you provide Linux OS?
That's what. Maybe if you join tomorrow, okay, I will show you like how to use Linux and all. So guys,
Prasad, if you don't mind, not required any operating Linux operating machines. That's the reason tomorrow Amarender is explaining the AWS. If you are creating the AWS, always using the Linux machine in the AWS only, not required in your personal laptop.
Exactly.
Okay. Yes.
So in tomorrow class, I will clearly explain what to do. What are the prerequisites? Okay. So anything else you want to ask, guys?
Yes, I need to talk to personally.
Maybe ping me. Yeah. Okay then, guys. Let's wind up the call for now. We'll meet again tomorrow, same time. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Tomorrow at what time will you meet?
Same time. 8:30 a.m. IST.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah. Okay then, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much.